Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement pre-owned informational series video. This is a pre-owned trade-in we just recently took in on trade. It's a 2007 Massey Ferguson 573 with SynchroSHuttle. We sold this tractor originally new. It's got a little over 1,100 hours, actually 1,109. It's a 72 engine horsepower, 60 PTO with the Quicke Q30 loader. This is like a 930 Massey Ferguson loader. It's the premium loader, more deluxe loader available from Quicke. Quicke builds the loaders for Massey Ferguson, and this tractor features an actual Quicke deluxe loader. Got metal hood, metal fenders. It's got the couplers that you can take off. It's got the Euro quick attach here with a third function, solenoid third function on this tractor. It's a four-wheel drive, open station tractor. Got big beefy front end underneath of it there. Be a great utility tractor for your farm. You got the cable controlled joystick. It has 930 Goodyear rear tires, and it's got 11.224 fronts on it. It's got the FOPS certified metal heavy duty canopy on it. This tractor has a 3,947 pound lift capacity, not at the ball ends but 2 foot behind. 540 PTO, 2 sets of rear work lights, or 2 sets of rear remotes. Top link is inside. There's the rear work light, armrest seat. We're going to jump up here on the platform. Features 14.5 gallon per minute remote hydraulics at the remote valves. Ground level fueling. It's one of the features everybody keeps talking about Massey Ferguson. Engine oil, dipstick, fuel filter, fill right down there. This is a pre-emissions tractor, so you're not going to have to worry about DEF, diesel exhaust fluid, any of that stuff. Got a little storage box here. Carry your thermos with you. Got your PTO engagement. Got your SynchroSHuttle lever, 4 speeds, 2 ranges. Gives you 8 forward, 8 reverse. 2 sets of remote valves. There's your quadrant on your 3-point, and lots of metal on this baby. It's kind of a standard feature of a Massey Ferguson. I'll pull the keys out here, fire this up. It does have that's your brake. 1,109 hours. Starts right up. We're at idle speed here. Got your hazards there. Light switches. Go over to first, shuttle, park brakes off. This is a SynchroSHuttle, so to reverse you have to push your clutch in and come to reverse, but you can do it on the go. We'll just go to first here. We're on the high side. Want to go to reverse. That's low range. That's 4. And shuttle. good utility tractor. Got your PTO engagement. Two remote. Big platform. Look at all the extra room out here. Gives you a lot of room to spread out. Canopy to keep the sun off you. Come check out this Massey Ferguson 573. We got our lights on here. Got our hazard lights on to show you that they work. Got the rear ones. Got the rear work light. It's a nice utility tractor. 1,100 hours is pretty low hours for this sucker. Nice beefy tractor. A lot of cast iron to it. It's a tractor that is going to help you get your work done, get it done faster, and do it better on less dollars for you. With a super nice loader. We're here at Vahrenberg Implement in West Central Missouri, just 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line, just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, right up here to Vahrenberg Implement at the first stoplight. That's where we're located. Come see us, come check out this 573 Massey Ferguson and put it to work for you on your operation today.